Chapter 2, Counting in Groups. First concept, look and guess the number. We are going to see how to count in groups. In first picture they have given few cups. We will guess how many it is. Let's count in group. In first group 3 cups. In second group 3 cups. In third group 4 cups. So total 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10 cups. Next, can you guess how many pairs of shoes? Here there are 3 lines with 3 pairs of shoes in each lines. Let's count 1 2 3 3 1 2 3 3 1 2 3 3. Total 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9 pairs of shoes.
Look at how different things are kept in groups. Try to guess the total number without counting each things. Here, here are some pictures. In first picture, a man is selling a glasses. Let's count in group. In first group, 3 glasses. In second group, 3 glasses. In third group, 3 glasses. In fourth group, 3 glasses. So 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12 glasses are there. Next, a lady is selling bangles. Let's count in group. In first group there are 5 bangles. In second group 5 bangles. In third group 5 bangles. In fourth group 5 bangles. In fifth group 5 bangles. So 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25 bangles. Next, pairs of earrings. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 pairs of earrings. Next, there are 3 groups of spoon. How many in each group? In first group, how many spoons are there? Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total 8 spoons in first group. Guess the total number of spoons. Let's count the total number. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So total spoons are 24.
Except more or less. Let us guess. Ring the correct answer. First, number of teeth in your mouth. So this is the picture of a boy. How many teeth he has in his mouth? More than 40 or less than 40? Answer is less than 40. Next, number of seeds in an orange. So this is the picture of an orange. In center, this is called seed. So tell us how many seeds an orange have? More than 50? Less than 50? Answer is less than 50. Next, number of matchsticks in a matchbox. This is a picture of matchbox. So how many sticks a matchbox have? More than 30? Less than 30? So answer is more than 30. Number of pencils in your class. So a girl has so many pencils. So count it and tell how many pencils she has? More than 45 or less than 45? Answer is less than 45. Next, number of spokes in one cycle wheel. So this is the picture of cycle. This is called wheel. In wheel, this strip lining is called spoke. So count and tell how many spokes are there in one cycle. Tell us more than 20 or less than 20. Answer is less than 20. Next concept, hope till you drop. How many times can you hop on your right foot without falling? How many times can you hop on your left foot without falling? So students, do by yourself. According to my guess, answer 3 to 5 times. Next, join the dots. Here, Jojo doggy is hungry. Join the dots in order from 21 to 52 and find out what is hidden for him to eat. Here is the picture of a dog. His name is Jojo. Here are the some dots given. So here find the food for Jojo doggy. So in book they said start from 21 and end at 52. Let's start. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So start from 21 and end at 52. So here one picture had created. This is born for Jojo dog. Next concept, naughty Buru. Buru has torn some pages of this book. Write the pages number in correct order. So this is Buru. Buru had torn the book pages. So these are the book pages. So here we have to arrange these pages in correct order. So 48 is given. So before 48, 47. After 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Next, puzzling tail. Chipku rat has a long tail. So this is Chipku rat has a long tail. When he was sleeping, naughty cat thought of tying his tail to the pulse. So naughty cat thought to tie the Chipku tail with pulse. So this is pulse. She start from the pool with the biggest number and she moved on to the smaller numbers in order. Help her in tying, but the tail should not cross itself anywhere. Chipku rat, long tail, pulse, naughty cat, biggest number 37, smallest number 27. So you have to start from the biggest number, that is from 37, and to smallest. The tail should not cross. What is crossing? Suppose. So this is crossing. It should not be crossed like this. The tail should not cross like this. First you have to come from 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27. Story: The Big Carrot. An old man planted a carrot seed. You can see in the picture, an old man planted a carrot seeds. The carrot grew big and sweet. It grew very, very big. Here the carrot grew very, very big and sweet. He tried to pull out the carrot, but it did not come out. Old man tried to pull out the carrot, but carrot did not come out. He quickly called his wife. The old man at last called his wife. The old man pulled the carrot leaves, and the old woman pulled him, but they could not pull it out. Here both old man and his wife tried to pull out the carrot, but they could not pull it out. The old woman called her granddaughter. The old man at last, then old woman called her granddaughter. So now three of them, the old man, the old woman and granddaughter, tried, but they could not pull the carrot out. So three of them had tried, but they could not pull out the carrot out. Granddaughter called the dog. The old man, his wife, the granddaughter and the dog could not pull the carrot out. Here the granddaughter called the dog. So now four of them, old man, his wife, granddaughter, the dog. So they are not able to pull out the carrot out. Then the dog called the cat. Everyone pulled and the cat held on to the dog's tail. The carrot did not move. So after that the dog called the cat. So now including cat, now five of them not able to pull the carrot out. Next, the cat called the mouse. At last the cat called the mouse. They all pulled hard together and the carrot came out. They all fell down. All tried too hard to pull the carrot out. So the carrot came out. They all fell down. Next, they were so excited. So they all went to the kitchen to make gajar ka halwa and ate it up. Here, they were so excited. So they went to the kitchen to make gajar ka halwa and ate it up. The picture and write. Here pictures are given. With help of the picture we will give answer to the question. First, how many are pulling the carrot out? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is 6. Who was first one to pull it? Among 6, who was the first to pull it? The old man. Answer, the old man. Third, the cat is dash in the line. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the cat is fifth in the line. Answer is fifth. Next, fourth, who was the fourth one to pull the carrot? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 number, the dog. Fifth one. How many were pulling the carrot before the cat came to help them? Before the cat, how many were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4 were there to pull the carrot before the cat came to help them. Next, make a cap on third one in the line. So in third, the granddaughter make a cap on head. Next, seventh, make a mustache for the sixth one in the line. So in sixth, the mouse make a mustache. It means mooch. So last sixth and seventh do by yourself. Next, century. Seema has made a design with different bindis. A girl, her name is Seema, and she made a design with different bindis. So here 1 group, 2 group, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 groups. In each group there are 10 bindis. Next, look at the groups and guess the total number of bindis. Here total 8 groups are there. In each group there are 10 bindis. So here 80 bindis. Answer. Draw more groups to complete 100 bindis. How many more bindis did you have to draw? Here there are 80 bindis. To complete 100 bindis, how many bindis we need? We need 20 bindis to complete 100 bindis. Answer is 20 bindis. Thank you.